What's up everyone, welcome to Creative Girl Akira's channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I make my own picture collages. So you're going to be going into your app store and you're going to be looking up PixArt. Okay, so just to clarify, there will be like different pops up, but you can just automatically click it away or whatever. But now you should click the bottom, press the plus button. Now you're just going to scroll all the way at the bottom where you see color backgrounds. You're going to click whatever color you want. They have a variety of colors, but I'm just going to stick with my favorite, which is pink. So now you're going to click the tools bar and you're going to click crop. And so you can crop this picture within a variety of ratios. They have so many, but I preferably use YouTube, which is 16:9. And it's just mostly because I personally use YouTube tutorials like this one. At the bottom here, they have a variety of options where you can edit your pictures, but for right now, we're going to click add photo, and you're just going to select 10 images. You can only select 10 images. You can select less than that, but just know the maximum is 10 images. So when you select your 10 images, you can go ahead and begin the process. After all of your 10 images have been fully uploaded, you're going to select cutout and you're going to be cutting out each and every one of your images. I'm going to be giving you guys more and more examples behind this, and they also do have other variety of editing options for you. So not every image is going to be simple. You have images like this one right here that is going to be much more harder and much more of a task, but it is easy when you are very patient. So all you're going to be doing is using these 3 tabs right here so that your picture can become transparent. So therefore you can use your eraser. You can size it from the smallest to the largest maximum, as well as the drawer tab that I call it. So therefore you keep doing that until you are very satisfied with your picture. I don't know if you guys noticed this yet, but what's very good about the little eye tab that you guys see is that when you click it, you can transfer it into seeing without all of the background, and then you can click it where you can see all of the background. Another cool thing about this app is that all the way at the top where you see the erase tab, you can go ahead and click one of those images and you can erase any excessive things you do not want on that image. So now you can drag any of those images all the way to the bottom so that you can organize how you want to set all of your photos. So also on this app, they have a variety of filters that you can use on your photo to, make your photo look more pop. Please be very careful of where you're placing your images within the backdrop. Okay, so you do not want to go underneath the backdrop. You do not want to place your head of the photo all the way up at the top, because therefore it will crop it out. For example, right here where I am smiling with my natural curly hair in yellow, as you can see at the bottom half where it's kind of blacking and it's like covering off the bottom half of my arm, that means that will be cut off. But I want it to be like that, but I'm just saying for you guys, you will be very upset if your photo is not placed properly. Another thing that I like to do is blend my pictures well put together so that my picture won't be ahead of another picture blocking off my face or body. So therefore I like to go in with the eraser and with the stylus, which is a drawer, and just cover up all of the pink background and make sure that there is nothing in the way. For example, right here, as you can see, my shoulder is kind of blocking off my face. So therefore I'm going to be using the eraser and the stylus brush, whatever you like to call it, so that it will blend in and both perfect. So after you are done, you're going to hit next and you're going to basically save this. And so after you're done saving it, you're going to upload it again so that you can load more images. Right here you can go to your cutouts and it's going to have all of the cutouts that you have used once before, and it will automatically save. But make sure you guys use a login account for this so that everything can be saved. Please be aware, guys, that if you are not done with this and you click that checkpoint, that it will mess you up entirely. I have done this before, so please make sure that you do not do that. And that is all, guys. This really completes this collage photos or whatever. Pretty much go ahead and save that. Make sure that it automatically saves, because sometimes it may be a little glitch. You can go ahead and add any filters behind this, but yeah, this basically completes it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.